Okay, people, so this is going to be a really quick sort of tutorial to be able to use clip arts if you're doing a digital one-pager or infographic. Okay, so it's really easy. You just go into Google and you search for a clip art. Remember, the thing is that you're trying to get lucky, so some things you will not be able to find in clip art, some things you will, so adjust to whatever you do find. In this scenario, I'm trying to do, let's see if I have this open. Right, I'm trying to do this little example of maybe an infographic where I want to talk about the coronavirus and our respiratory system. Okay, so I found two little clip arts. Let's just look at how I put the respiratory system clip art into this Google Doc. So if I search for respiratory system clip art, I like this clip art, so I can go into the link. Okay, now if I want to save this, I want to save this as an image. So I'll continue going into whatever link it gives me for this clip art, and I can go with a right click into save image as. And then you can place the image wherever you want. I'll place it in my downloads because I don't really want to keep it that much. So I'll put respiratory system. Okay. And then you can go into your download of the respiratory system. Okay. And it's simply right over there. It looks like an image of the respiratory system. This gray background means it's not going to contain any background when I put it on Google. So I can just copy it with Control-C. And then go into my Google Slides or my Canva or my Google Docs and paste it. Okay, once I paste it, I can adjust the size, of course. You guys know this. This is pretty self-learned by you. I can make it so that I can move it wherever I want to move it. And then I do the same thing with the little bacteria, sorry, the little virus. I liked this virus picture, so I went into the virus that I liked. I can save the image. Okay, virus. Go back into my downloads. Okay, if it shows up that it has a gray background, that means it doesn't contain any sort of background. And I can copy and paste it into my Word or my Google Doc, sorry. Okay, now of course it's super, super big. So make it as small as you want to make it. Okay, and make it so that you can move it anywhere. And now you can even place it on top of your lungs. And as you see, the importance of not having a background means that this image kind of seems like it was built into the lungs and it's not just a Google image that you're pasting and it looks awkward. So I hope that helps for everybody that's working on the digital one-pager or infographic. Please send me Schoology messages or messages on the discussion board if you have any questions.